CPM Math 3, problem 3-10. We're being asked to solve this equation graphically, very specifically using a graph. And so we first have to graph the function and then look at what kind of solution we're talking about. So our x is x, and at this point, where that f of x or the y is actually a 1. So we're going to pretend for the sake of argument that this is a 1 and see what happens, okay? So our locator point is 2, -3, and our growth rate is 1. So let's see how that translates onto an actual graph. 2, -3 is our vertex, because this is a quadratic, so it's going to be a parabola. And if the growth rate is 1, I go over 1, up 1, over 1, up 3, over 1, up 5, and continue that. And as I'm finished graphing my parabola, now we want to know this equation is x minus 2, quantity squared, minus 3 equals 1. We want to know where f of x or y equals 1. And that's kind of the focus of this problem. So let's actually take a look at where the y value is 1, and that's this little spot right here. And there are actually 2 locations on the parabola where our y is 1. So we can actually solve this equation, and the x value is then 0, and the x value is 4. So we can actually solve this equation, and we know the answer is x is 0 and x is 4, because all we have to do is look where y is 1. It is that simple.